I picked up one of these dollar store styrofoam rings. So all I've done is I've clipped the garland, and to secure it, we're gonna take a zip tie. So I have two different types of berries here. So my method of using hot glue is to use a glue skillet. So now we have some mini ornaments, and all I've done is I've added a little dollop of hot glue on the bottom, and we're just gonna work them in.
Apply a generous amount of hot glue to the tray and stick a piece of styrofoam down. Take out your tree and fluff the branches. You want to keep one side of the tree rather flat and fluff up the branches toward the other side. Next, you're going to take the first tree and stick it into the side of the styrofoam. You're going to open up the third and the fourth trees and use a pair of wire cutters to cut off each of the little branches from the trunks of those trees and begin building up your centerpiece with those branches. Now is where you get to have some fun and personalize your centerpiece. Finish off your arrangement by adding some Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments wherever you want a little more color.
Take any glass vase or jar container that you have and layer the bottom with a couple of inches of greenery. Angle the ends of the greenery toward the outside of the glass. Next, grab your box of plastic wrap and start crumpling it into a bunch, but I did try to shape it into a sort of level disc. The third layer consists of fresh cranberries. Take a pitcher of water and pour over the top of all the layers. You can add a tea light.
Grab some tiny little ornaments. We're going to start with these large tongue depressors. We're going to cut those in half, and then we grabbed an embroidery hoop, and we're going to take those little pieces of wood that we cut in half and we're going to glue them at the bottom and then hot glued it to the other side. Next, I grabbed this little wood tray and I hot glued that in. Then I grabbed my little ornaments, and I also had some little stars, and I just lined them up and glued them up one side. Then I grabbed one of my flowers and I hot glued that down at the top. Then I grabbed this little pearl branch, which was super cute. Then I grabbed a ribbon. Then I added a couple more of those pieces of wood along the bottom. Then I grabbed these cute little twinkle lights that are battery operated and added those to the centerpiece.
Head to Dollar Tree and pick up 2 paper towel holders. Guide the centerpiece of the towel holder through the floral foam. Begin adding florals to the base. Stack the second paper towel holder directly on top and add more florals to it to cover the foam entirely. Take a strand of gems and attach to the top of the stacked paper towel holders. Attach it to the top of the paper towel holder base.
First, we're gonna start with this 9-foot flocked garland. We're gonna use some of this silver bay leaf and just work them right into the garland. Now we're gonna work in some shatterproof ornaments, and we can start hot gluing these in place too. We'll just do one loop with a set of tails, and I'm just gonna take that little pipe cleaner and wrap it around, and it just adds a nice little touch of ribbon.